Good morning, everyone. Today we are here with the topic that how to put the cut-through price on our listings. Like this, we want this 12% here. So what we will do is put here our price, that is 8.19. Put here the same price, list price with text, 8.19. And your sale price would be 7.19. Here put the dates. There we go. You just have to do this. Your price and your list price with tax must be the same prices, 8.19 or whatever it is. And your sale prices must be lower than both of these. Put the sale date from star and sale end date. And you are good to go. You will have this cut through price here, minus 12%. And it will have a greater impact on the customer minds, and they will purchase your product, hopefully. So this is how we put the cut-through price. Hope you like the video. Please like, share, and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much. Goodbye.